Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM 2021. In this video, we will see what's new in SolidCAM 2021 3-axis machining. In SolidCAM 2021, we introduced SolidCAM Geodesic Machining. SolidCAM Geodesic Machining uses a global distance field without a fixed direction as a reference for calculation. And this enables full flexibility for calculating various pattern types while maintaining constant step over. There are two types of machining inside Geodesic 3-axis. One is parallel to curve, the other one is morph between two curves. So if I go into the toolpath, if I edit the toolpath, you can see that we have parallel to multiple curves and morph between two curves. In the first example, we are going to use parallel to multiple curves, where I have defined this curve as my pattern making curve, and we are going to machine the area within this curve itself following the pattern curve. I have taken a tool of diameter 6 ball nose for this and a step over of a constant step over of 0.3 millimeters. Let's calculate this toolpath. Okay, toolpath calculation has been done. Let's look at the result, and you can see that the pattern looks very nice, smooth, and it's having a consistent step over of what we have defined, irrespective of the shape of the surface. In the next example, what we have, if I edit the toolpath, I see that we're using morph between two curves, where I have the outer curve, the outer edge, and the inner curve, the inner edge of the boundary. Let's look at the toolpath parameters. We are using a max step over here of 0.3 millimeters, and let's run the calculation. Okay, we are almost through into the calculation, and we can now take a look at the result of the toolpath that was generated. And you can see that it's a very nice looking toolpath where the step over has been constant right from the outer edge till it reaches the inside edge. Geodesic machining is widely used for finishing of geometries where you would like the tool to follow a certain pattern of curve or curves. Thank you very much for watching this video.